everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effect in Brawlhalla. You can easily mute or adjust sound settings in Brawlhalla to focus on gameplay or avoid disturbing others. Launch open the Brawlhalla application on your device and make sure you are in the main menu. From the main menu, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button or the options button. Soon after you do that, select system settings and then you will see the music volume and the sound volume option. Go ahead and turn off the music volume and then the sound volume to 0 and then you will be able to turn off the sound settings in the game. Now you can enjoy Brawlhalla quietly without making any kind of a sound. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.